There's a fire in the country, mate, and it's spreading town to town. The people have had enough. It's time to vote the liar down. Settles and the bills keep climbing high. Working people wake each morning to another Canberra lie. They promised cheaper power, said they had a better plan, but families count their dollars while they tighten every hand. They laughed and called us angry, said the movement wasn't real, but the battlers came together, and now they know the steel. Fire the liar, sound the call. One nation's rising, one and all. From the suburbs to the stations, hear the warning, travel far. Pauline's army standing tall, and Australia knows who they are. Let the truth become the spark. Fire the liar, light the dark. They asked for 27 just to drive us from the ground, but ordinary Australians turned the whole campaign around. From a trickle to a torrent, every hour the tally grew. Not from Canberra corporations, but from people seeing through. They spin, retreat, and backflip, then deny the words they said. But the promises they buried are returning from the dead. Fire the liar, sound the call. One nation's rising, one and all. From the suburbs to the stations, hear the warning, travel far. Pauline's army standing tall, and Australia knows who they are. Fire the liar, raise your voice. The people still have got a choice. No more silence, no surrender. Let the truth become the spark. Fire the liar, light the dark. From a battler, every voice they pushed aside, put the message on the billboards they can neither spin nor hide. Television, roads and radio carry words across the land. You can mock the quiet people, but the quiet people stand. No more lies about the future, no more selling out the land, no more treating working people like they'll never understand. The sleeping giant's waking, you can hear it town to town. Australia's found its backbone, it's time to vote them down. Will we take it? No. Will we bend? No. Will we fire the liar? Yes, let's go! Fire and the reckoning has begun. Fire the liar, raise your voice. Australia still has got a choice. No more silence, no surrender. Let the truth become the spark. Fire the liar, light the dark. One voice, one fight, one country. Vote them out tonight. Australians have a choice.